Alright guys, I'm going to run these numbers here. It's going to click over to 5:44 p.m. We're going to type live. We're doing the Packers first. So we'll type live for Packers. We are live for the Packers. We will check the time, 5:43 p.m. and 5:44. It just clicked over. We will grab the list. Here we go. Alright, we will drop that into random, 10 entries. Okay, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. Fix this here. There we go. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6, 6 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 times. Dice is 6. Next, click numbers. And 6. Here's our numbers, guys. 5:44. We will type done. We are done. 5:44. 5:44. Here is the verification and timestamp. We are done.